How to sell online without using Facebook ads, quick and easy. Hey guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. Today I will be showing you the different ways that you can sell your product and make a lot more sales, and you can still multiply the overall sales that you are able to receive on a certain product without having to pay for Facebook ads and marketing your product in a different way rather than just focusing on Facebook. So let's get into it. Now, I have 6 techniques that I'm going to show you guys for you to be able to expand your business with this kind of marketing. Now, first off is Google Ads. Now, Google Shopping is very popular. If you go onto a new tab and search for Google Shopping over here, now, Google Shopping is very different than Facebook Shopping. The reason for that is when you go onto Google Shopping, it is more interested in taking a look at the search engine that you have, whatever, the titles that you have put in your search engine, while Facebook ads actually go on to the basis of taking a look at the things that you are previously interested in, and then they just further on with that. So the difference between this is that when you have a listing on Google Shopping, people are going to be able to see it whenever they search. Like if you have like black sneakers and someone searches for black sneakers, then they would be seeing they would be seeing your product as a result. So that is one thing that you can do for Google Ads. While if you were to opt in for Facebook ads, for example, if you went for Facebook ads, then you would actually have, people that are already interested in black sneakers or sneakers in general would be pushed with your ad. So that is like a key difference between getting Google ads or getting Facebook ads, and that is why I recommend checking out Google ads as well. To get started, all you have to do is go onto ads.google.com, click on start now on the left side over here. And just like that, you can get started and set up your own sales ads for your product on Google Shopping. And this will just, continue on to your payment information. You're going to link your Gmail account, whatever Gmail account that you're using for your project. You can link that and get started and take a look at the different options that are available on the specific price point or budget that you have for your ad campaign. Now, following that, the most traditional way of promoting sales has been email marketing, and it still is a very effective way to get sales. Mailchimp is an amazing platform for you to get started with email marketing. However, if you take a look at the pricing of Mailchimp, they are available for free, but you have very limited features. If you're going to go with a full-term marketing campaign, then you would have to upgrade to maybe the essentials or standard version, most probably the standard version. And however, Mailchimp allows you a lot of different things. They have multiple different options. You can create web pages, landing pages, curated email campaigns. You can create simple emails and email campaigns, as well as automated email processes. So all you have to do is click on sign up for free on the top right over here. And once you click on sign up for free, you're going to enter your email address, username, and password, or you can click on login over here. And I'm just going to log into my account. And over here, we are just going to verify our login from our email address. So I'm just going to open this, and I'm going to copy the verification code and paste it on over here. And just like that, I am now on my Mailchimp account. So Mailchimp is pretty simple and intuitive to use. You can see on your left, you have your audience section where you can add all of your contacts, your sign-up forms, tags, segments, surveys, all that good stuff. Then you have your campaigns, automation, website, and content studios, as well as different integrations to upgrade your emails as well. And if you go into the integrations, you can directly link your Shopify store. So let's say if a person leaves something in their cart on Shopify, you can create a simple automation where if someone leaves a specific item in their cart, whatever item they leave, you can send them a reminder to purchase that item after like 3 to 4 days, and you can create automatic email campaigns with this simple integration of Shopify with your Mailchimp account. Now, other than that, you also have other options for your sales other than Facebook, which include Pinterest. Now, you might be wondering, hey, Pinterest is so outdated. Who even uses Pinterest anymore? And how am I going to garner sales with Pinterest? Well, if you think that Pinterest is underrated, then you are definitely going to be surprised at the amount of traffic Pinterest is still receiving. Pinterest still has a lot of traffic that is received, and people that spend time on Pinterest are very, very intuitive on what they are looking for. They are usually looking for something marketing, and adverts on Pinterest are a lot more effective. You can create not only can you create your advert, but if you go on and create a business account or even a simple account, you can use it to promote your products as well, and that will enable you to further expand your business into newer horizons. You can click on create over here and create a idea pin or a simple pin for the thing that you are promoting. So let's just say that we are promoting t-shirts. You can create a few pins that include, the hottest summer styles, and you can add your own t-shirts and all of the summer styles to further get free marketing from Pinterest as well. And then you can also run Pinterest ad campaigns for your platform. Now, after that, we also have TikTok. So TikTok is one of the largest social media platforms out there currently, and if you are looking to actually expand your business, then it's very essential that you are creating your TikTok account and promoting your product with your TikTok account. You can create a separate TikTok account for your business or a separate TikTok account. Let's say I have opened a e-commerce clothing store, so I could create the TikTok under that name and then start promoting more products in that way. TikTok is going to lead you with organic growth. That is one of the benefits of using TikTok, that you will get organic growth on your products, on your items, and you will get more sales with organic growth, and that is what you are looking for. So that is one really effective way to do marketing without having to run Facebook ads, the tedious and basic Facebook ads. And this will also enable you to further your creative ideas and outputs as well. You can get reviews from the people that watch your TikToks, and that will further help you in designing more items. Now, moving on to the second last way is Snapchat ads. So a lot of people, it has been seen that the average person opens up Snapchat over 10 times every day, and that is why it is so effective to be able to do Snapchat ads. So whenever you see a ad, whenever you see a story or a reel on Snapchat on the right side of the story section, then these are Snapchat ads, and it's very simple to get started. All you have to do is go onto forbusiness.snapchat.com, click on create account over here, and then you can get started with your Snapchat advert journey. Now, moving on to the last way that you can actually do email marketing for, that you can actually promote your own items or sales or generate more sales without having to just rely on Facebook ads, is that you can create short form YouTube ads. So there you have two basic types of YouTube ads. You have the pre-roll ads, the ones that are non-skippable, and the ones that are skippable. These are the two ones that I recommend that you get started with. So upload your ads. You can create a video ad, a very simple animation using Powtoon or Canva. If you're not comfortable with creating a actual IRL image or a sales video, if not, you can create a Powtoon video or some other simple kind of video to market your item or product in a video format. And these ways are going to be so effective to sell your product and generate more sales, more organic sales, without having to go and rely simply on Facebook ads. So just to cover it once more, we have Google ads, we have email marketing, we have Pinterest, we have TikTok, Snapchat, and YouTube ads. So these are just some of the basic ways. I hope you guys found this video helpful and you are now able to get started with your simple and easy journey to get your product sold. If you found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and check out our YouTube channel for more videos like this. And if you have any questions or queries regarding how you can promote any kind of specifics that you might need to know, make sure to ask them in the comment box down below, and I will try to answer them as soon as possible. And I will catch you guys in the next video.